In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your project in Framer, step by step. Whether you're revamping your website or creating a sleek user interface, adding a logo can bring personality and professionalism to your design. So let's dive into the process and make sure your logo is perfectly placed. To start, you'll need to open Framer, navigate to the website, and make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can see all your projects. Here, select the specific project you want to work on, just click on it, and you'll be taken to the main editing screen of your chosen project. Now let's add the logo. One valuable tip is ensuring you have a high-quality image file ready. Files in PNG or SVG format are usually best as they maintain quality when resized. In the project screen, look for the Insert menu. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options to add elements to your project. We're looking for the Media option within this menu, so go ahead and click there. Once you've clicked Media, a new set of options will appear. You'll need to select Image because we're going to use an image file for the logo. Click on Image and an image box will appear on your canvas. To add your logo, simply double-click on this image box. Doing so will open up a window, allowing you to select the image file directly from your device. Find your logo file, select it, and hit Open. Your logo will now appear within the image box on your Framer project. The next step is to position it correctly. Click and hold the image, drag it to the header space of your design, and release it where you want the logo to be positioned. This gives your logo the prominence it needs in your design. After you've positioned it, it's time to refine its size. Click on Highlight to focus on the logo. Then you can adjust its dimensions by dragging the corners. You'll want to make sure it's not too large, that it overshadows other elements, and not too small that it becomes indistinct. Adjust it until it fits just right into your design, and that's all there is to it. Your logo is now part of your project in Framer. Remember that you can always revisit and tweak its positioning or size as needed. Adding a logo effectively can enhance not only the aesthetic, but also the brand identity of your project. Thanks for joining me on this journey today, and happy designing.